I'm doing a deep cleaning on this 2016 Honda CRV with only 17,000 miles. Let's take a look. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike the Baldadonis, and I buy and sell cars as a hobby, and I bring you guys along with me showing the pros and cons of each vehicle I buy. Now, if you're watching me for the first time doing this detail, this channel, I talk about my life experiences. I've gone through a lot of different things like so many people. I do buy and sell cars, and I travel throughout New England, and I make videos about our local destinations, tourist destinations, walking trails, hikes, stuff like that. I'll talk about just about anything, to be honest with you, on my channel. I like to have fun, and I like to share my experiences. So anyways, right now I've been laid up with a bicep surgery. It's been 5 weeks. I need another couple weeks before I can get back out there and make those travel videos. So at the moment, I'm keeping busy with my car stuff, and when I do buy my cars, I always detail the cars, and I incorporate that in the videos. I've been doing this for quite a long time, and my friends and family asked me to detail their cars. So I was like, yeah, you know what? I'm laid up a little bit. I still got one good arm, you know? So why not? So my friend Craig asked me to detail his wife's Sheila's Honda CRV. It's a 2016 with 17,000 miles. Now, I live in the Boston area. I live 30 miles north of Boston. And being a New England car, it's pretty clean. It's garaged, except for when the car is garaged all the time and you come out of the garage to look at your car or get in your car, you don't really notice how dirty it really is. This is the case, I think, with Sheila. You know, seeing the car is, you know, as soon as you open up your garage door, the car's right there. So it's not like you can eyeball it. You're like, it's dirty. It's not like living in a neighborhood where you can see your car out in the street and you can notice how dirty it is. This one, I don't even think it has been waxed since it's been bought. So today I'm going to do a quick, deep detail. It's just a simple cleaning. They have a dog, so the interior is kind of funky. You know, Sheila's kind of a dirty birdie, but not that bad. And some of the products I use a lot of Chemical Guys. I really enjoy their car wash. What else do I like by Chemical Guys? There's a lot of, I use a lot of cleaner products, as you can see, but I tend to favor Chemical Guys and McGuire's. McGuire's is really good for their polishes, their waxes, and their compound. I really like their compounds. I can get in there and get the scratches out, but for the most part, I like Chemical Guys. So that's what you're gonna see in this video. It's just a quick 4-minute video, but it took me 4 hours to get this car clean. The interior alone, 1.5 hours long. There's a lot of dog hair, a lot of vacuuming, a lot of swearing, and but I got the job done. And I want to thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. I have 2 more car videos coming up. I have my 2004 BMW Z4 3.0 6-speed convertible. I just sold that, so that video is coming up this week. And next week, I'm hoping to get my 2014 Audi A4 6-speed, slightly tuned. I have to talk to the past owner and get that video done. So until the next video, everybody, Baldadonis out.